Good morning, December the 3rd, 2024, 8:45 in the morning. I'm just over here. Lucky Les machine got her stuffed in here. And I'm in this barangay. Got a dog in the garbage over there. Hope he ain't coming over here to piss on my wheels or bite me. Rabid son of a bitch. Go home. But yeah, it's kind of a neat little barangay over here. Just had this little mini dump truck up here, dump a load. Got another one coming to dump a load. But it's okay. No. It's okay. Yeah, I'm gonna walk in front of them. Getting some material stockpiled there for some concrete mixing. And they call us Welcome Habitat Village. It's kind of a neat looking kind of little village. Like an enchanted forest. Lots of little stores. Things like that, you know. So I'm just gonna have a little look around and get some exercise. Sorry stores. Cooking wood. Make yourself some rice. Little lottery centers. These are lottery centers. Imagine sitting in there all day long. No one's in that one right now, but they are all over the place. Oh wow, they got a garbage truck, I think. Gotta watch my toes. Hello. Yeah, that's a tough job over here, man. But hey, they got one. Do not block the driveway. Roselle's store. I think that guy forgot the garbage. Bummer. Little water manifold there. Everyone's paying by the liter. On the meter by the liter. So this is how they live. Yeah, side by side. Not a lot of privacy. Oh, here we go. More music to get demonetized. But that's okay. Some advertising. Repair. Basketball's big here. It is so. So they got a court which provides shelter. Gonna stay off the road, let this big truck go by me. Yeah, Zuzu. My boondog. Yeah, check out the houses, man. Filipino lifestyles. Nice Toyota parked out front. There's a dog, a nice dog. He's quiet. I like that one. Some long overdue walk-a-size. Motorcycle sidecar. Coming home last night, I was following one of those things. And they do about 20 kilometers an hour. Which is fine if you're in bumper-to-bumper traffic. I think that's hey, good morning, different garbage truck, my God. But I was following one of them trikes, and it was dark out. No street lights on the road. Pitch black. Roads were wet, but it wasn't raining. And the guy in front pulls out and passes his motorcycle sidecar. So, I see a brake, no lights coming my way. What's Les do? He goes to pull out and pass. Fuck me, man. Dark blue Jeepney. Not a single light on the vehicle. Almost gets in a head-on collision with the little girl sitting beside me. Maya Bulldog, good morning. I don't think you see many white people walking around these neighborhoods. So when they do, they're all enthused and polite and nice to say hi. But yeah, I almost totaled the car and ourselves, which kind of sucks. But that's what they do. They drive around with their headlights off because they're saving gasoline. So tonight, I'm going to take Killer B and to school to pick Kate up to take her to her karate lessons. It's not karate, got to quit calling it karate. Not Muay Thai, the other Taekwondo lessons. And Beverly's going to hang out and watch, I guess. And they're going to take a taxi home. Because I see good, but not good enough, I guess. When the cars don't, my dog doing laundry. Lots of potholes, puddles. Ooh. Just got to get some miles on my feet. And my feet aren't shuffling so fast these days because I ain't walking too much. So I got to get out and walk. Lots of interesting houses though. I don't know how long I'm walking for, but however far it is, I gotta walk back, right? I remember it a little different last time. There's some concrete up there. Nice little concrete path. Maybe I'll go up the concrete path. Do a little uphill. Not a lot of taxis here if you want to ride back, you know. It's not like being in downtown Tag. Neat neighborhood. Barangay. It's a village. Don't block the driveway. Hollow blocks. Roosters in the background. I'm thinking this might take me back. One, two, three. Hello, puppy dog. Good boy. Good boy. On the Jeep. We got a Jeep, boys. My dog. Okay. I'm thinking this will take me back. Wow, I'm getting pooped. The uphill's the hard part. Lots of roosters. A little village. Doing a spooky puppy. Good boy. Yeah. I guess it just did a circle there. Morning.
Morning.
Love these flowers. Anytime you see flowers in December, you know life is good. Yeah, this is the way I come. I think it is. Hope so. Morning. Is it or isn't it? Maybe not. That's gotta be. I remember that tree. And there's the basketball court. You can't fool me. Got my street smarts. Said morning to them earlier. Just a little walk and talk, showing you what I see. I don't know what it'll be, half a kilometer when I get back to the bike. Pretty quiet. It's got to be about 9 o'clock by now. Black kitten. I'm not going to cross your path. And here goes Speedster. Hello. I could have jumped in with him. He had a for hire sign, no passenger. Oh, he had a pet kitten in the cage. Looked like Ginger, makes me feel bad. I should have took her over here, but I didn't. And she got lost. But anyways, I hope she's okay. Different bird chirps. More flowers. Yeah. Some kind of a application scholar program. Morning. Yeah, I'm huffing and puffing when I hit the hills. My legs need it though, man. So out of shape. Huffing and puffing. That's a different brand tricycle. The three towers are just on the other side of where I live. We're on the other side of that mountain. Motor wash. Put 5 pesos in the machine. Get you some pressure out of the pump. Whew. You can feel the burn, I ain't kidding you. All right, there's the pile of sand. Gonna get back on my iron horse. Get the knees in the breeze. That's a good little break and walk. Look at the material. All right. Morning.
Good morning.
Custom paint.
Are you vlogging here?
I'm trying to, yeah.
What's your
Lucky less.
lucky last?
LES. Lucky space less LES space.
Wait.
Yeah, we can see these guys on YouTube later. That'd be cool.
Thanks.
Right on, you guys. Have a good day. Thank you. Salamat. Just picked up another subscriber. Nice. The workman working. You gotta like it. And here we are. We're back on the horse. Not the red horse, but the iron one. So, if you hung along for the walk and enjoyed it, please don't hesitate. And when I say it, I mean it. Like and subscribe and leave a nasty comment. Okay, over and out. Bye. Cheers.